In today's video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil maintenance indicator on a 2021 Chevy Malibu. The first thing you're going to want to do is start up the vehicle. This one's got the push start here. So we're going to wait for it to start up. You'll notice right off the bat it says change engine oil soon. What you're going to do is press on the wheel, the little check button. That's going to get rid of that. Then you're going to use this directional pad here to the right until you get to vehicle. And then the first thing in the menu here, if you kind of go up and down, is remaining oil life. You'll notice that this one has just gone to 0. And then what you're going to do is you're going to press the check button, and you're going to press and hold it. And then after you've held it for just a second, it's going to say, are you sure you want to reset? You're going to press the up arrow to yes. Click on the check mark again. Now you'll notice it went to 100%. That's all there is to it. Pretty quick and simple. If you ended up thinking this was helpful, please consider subscribing to help us make more videos just like this. Comment with any comments or give it a like. Thanks for watching.